Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 3rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one, yes, and this binary puzzle will be number 2413. Yes, 2413. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one. Here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. And then between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And we have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Alright. Great binary without any comparing, so I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.